Alright, just a very quick rundown of gear. Mechanix Gloves, pretty good. Mention more about them in future videos. Hultafors Trekker, I can't say what size. I know the head is 800 grams. Quite a big axe, just above the regular size of a normal hatchet that most people would like to use for bushcrafting. It's smaller than the classic hatchet. I went for the Opinel number 9. I know a lot of people go for the number 8. I just had a look at the 8, decided I want a little bit of a bigger blade. UCO Lantern, I did buy some beeswax candles and I bought this little top to go on, reflects the heat and a little bit of the light down. Mora heavy duty companion, go for the heavy duty, don't go for the one below it. This product code is 12210, I believe. Just look for Mora heavy duty MG. Get this one, it's only a couple of your currency more than the normal one, and you're getting a thicker blade with the tang of the blade going further in. It doesn't go all the way to the end, but it goes further in, apparently up to about here. The other one only goes about there, so you may as well get the better thing for just a couple of your currency more. Normal everyday kind of like cheapish compass. I've had that for a long time anyway before I got into bushcraft. This is a carving axe. Again, we'll make future videos on it. Bought on eBay and really high quality, handmade, I think in Bulgaria. Then this is the very famous Laplander. Forgot the brand. Bahco Laplander, made in Sweden. Folding saw, really high quality. Yeah, just get one of those. Sometimes you can find them cheaper. I got mine for about £16 on average. If you go to a bushcraft store, they're usually not the bushcraft store, but I'm saying a bushcraft store or bushcraft seller online. It could be up to £25 plus delivery. Here's my rucksack. Nothing great. Bought in a car boot sale. I think it was about £10. Same car boot sale, different seller. German Army folding Spade. Really high quality, really thick, strong material. Also, I think I spent £10 on that. And then for cooking, I got the Pathfinder canteen set. It's got a steel canteen, like 1 litre inside. I won't open everything up now, but there's a mess tin with a folding handle. That's 750ml capacity. Then underneath, connected to the mess tin, is a little stand which is used for a miniature stove, which you can cook, put sticks under and boil water and stuff. It also comes, the mess tin comes with a lid, so you'll be able to bake in the field. Yeah, that was about £54 at the bushcraft store, and I'm not regretting it. It's also got a very wide mouth, so you can also get water from low streams and stuff. I did make a video a few minutes ago of all my kit, but what I did forget to include, and I'm sure it's in here somewhere, is my my Lixada stove. Might be in here. No, it's not. Okay. Got cordage. I think I bought 20 meters for like £5 or something. I don't really know much about cordage, but I know I will need it for some things. This is a pretty good book. £3 on eBay. Mears Essential Bushcraft. It's got food foraging, loads of different things in here. Identifying mushrooms and just, you know, like cordage, you know, everything you need to know pretty much. Pretty good book. Original price is like £15. So yeah, I don't know where my stove is. Might be inside here. I was trying to find it earlier. Ah, there we go. So inside here is my Lixada camping stove. I went for stainless steel. Semi-heavy, I mean nothing that bad, but just really happy with the results so far. It was like £13–14 plus delivery. I really recommend this. Look for other videos on it. I'm not going to take it, assemble it right now. Battery's just about to die, so that's everything for now. Very beautiful day outside. Nice and sunny. Don't know what the weather forecast is. I don't check that anymore. Don't bother with that.